let us understand what is integration center and how it is going to work. Integration center is a tool provided within SuccessFactors to create different types of integrations. For simple point-to-point requirements, we can use it without any separate middleware. First, let us look at the no-code mapper. We can select the required OData entities and use drag and drop to map our fields. So we can build the interface without writing any custom ABAP or any middleware code. Next, we can look at the flexible triggers. So we can decide when the integration should run. So if they want to run hourly basis or daily basis or monthly, we can schedule it accordingly. We can also trigger it in real time using intelligent services. Now, what about the data processing? So this is where in-flight logic comes into the picture. We can format the data using if-then conditions, while lookups, and concatenate the fields before generating any kind of output. And finally, we can discuss about the logs and security. So we can use PGP encryption and OAuth 2.0, and also we have execution monitoring and email alerts to keep the track of our integration. Now let us look at how the data actually flows within the integration center. So first section is data sources. Our data can come from two SuccessFactors OData entities, or we can receive the data from inbound SFTP files or intelligent service events. So from any one of these sources, we can get the data into integration center. Then integration center engine processing. So this is where here we do the mapping, calculations, or different transformations and security processing. All these things can be done in the second step. Then finally, we have the destinations. So the processed data can go to vendor SFTP server and be generated as CSV, XML, JSON, or any other format. And we can send it to the REST or SOAP web services format, depending on the customer requirement. So if we look at the complete picture, the flow is simple. Data comes into the integration center and it is processed. And finally, data will move to the required destination as per the business requirement.